So what's the best budget mechanical keyboard for a laptop or PC? In this video, I review my top pick for every budget. Coming up. Hey guys, this is Robert Klein with the Unboxing Critic. Here in this channel I review technology, gadgets, and some really cool stuff. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Hey, I wanted to let you know that I have a new blog out, unboxingcriticblog.com. Go there, take a look. Got a lot of different interesting information, reviews, technology, gadgets, and cool stuff as well. All kinds of pictures and what have you. Go ahead and give it a look and let me know what you think. And hey, at any point during this video, make sure you check down the show notes and links down below in the description. I'll have all the information there for the video and everything that I'll be reviewing. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Here recently, I've been looking to doing a little upgrading to my workstation. More specifically, to my keyboard. So I talked to a couple of coworkers and they were using mechanical keyboards. So did a little research on Amazon, looked at the reviews, see what they had to offer, and I found what I really was looking for. Something really different that would really enhance my workstation here at home. And what I found was the Aki mechanical keyboard. I'm actually using it right now, or have been for a little while yet. This is the Aki mechanical keyboard. Got it actually as a Christmas present. I got it from Brady and Liz. Actually, Brady is a YouTuber himself. He's got his own channel, the F-Body Enthusiast. Why don't you go ahead and check his site out as well. Okay, back to the review. I just want to let you know about the keyboard. The keyboard I have been very impressed with. It's a good quality, great instrument, and it really does and has been doing a great job. Here are some of the details about the keyboard. The keyboard is a vintage style. It has a round black typewriter style keycaps, bringing a nostalgic feel and look to it. Very eye-catching, very retro. I actually got the 87 key keyboard. I didn't necessarily need the 104 key. I didn't really need the number pad. No big deal there. It uses blue switches. These are deliver an accurate, responsive key commands for typing and gaming. They are incredible. They use, the lifespan is like 50 million keystrokes. That has been proven in testing. Very durable. Great thing also is it's water resistant. With the keycaps and the brushed metal, extremely durable and abrasive. And even better is the fact that this keyboard comes in at a cost of $26.99 on Amazon. Now I'll put the link down below in the description, or actually in the show notes, so you can actually go to Amazon and take a look at exactly what I have. Okay, so enough of the details. What does the keyboard actually look like? I've actually taken some pictures in a short video. I'm going to go ahead and post that up so you can actually see what it looks like. Here you go. So for the money, I highly recommend the Aki mechanical keyboard. It has made a terrific enhancement to my workstation. So thanks for watching the unboxing and review of the Aki mechanical keyboard. What did you think of the video? Do you have any ideas for any new videos that you think you might want to watch? Make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one. If you want to watch another video on unboxing or review, click here, or you can actually click down here. Until next time, this is Robert Klein with the Unboxing Critic. See ya!